Hi guys, welcome back to my Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. For those who are new here and for those who are not, welcome back. I'm back again with another tutorial. But before we go ahead and get started, I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I just want to say thank you so much. I don't think I'll ever be able to find the words to describe how incredibly blessed I feel and incredibly happy you guys make me to see all your guys' comments and to see that you guys are truly enjoying these videos that I'm making and that you guys really enjoyed the collab that I did with Beauty Bird. She's super sweet. Like, I don't think you guys understand how amazing and like kind-hearted she is, but I just want to say thank you so much for everybody's like love and support, and I don't know what I did to deserve such amazing people following me and subscribing to my channel. And yeah, I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You guys do not understand what this means to me. But yeah, before I get all like sappy and stuff, oh my gosh, no. But yeah, before we get too serious on this channel, don't forget to like and to subscribe if you guys have not already, and make sure you follow me on all my social media. I will leave everything on the screen as usual. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so sorry if you hear people in the background. Yeah. Anyways, okay, so the first color I'm going in with is called Orange Soda, and I'm taking that on my Makeup Shack T43 brush, and I'm just using that as my transition color. And then next, going in with the color Sienna, I'm going to use that to deepen up my crease, and I am focusing more of it on the outer corners just because it's going to be like sort of a halo eye, kind of. I don't know. Oh, and this brush, I'm not sure what it is, but I'll have everything linked in the bottom. I promise this time I will have it linked in the bottom. Okay, so the next color oh my how embarrassing. I don't know why I put that in there. Anyway, so the next color I'm going in with is called Mulberry, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corners of my eye just to deepen it up even more. Just to kind of give it like a smoky effect, I guess, if that makes sense. And I'm just going back and forth with the other brushes just to make sure that there isn't like any rough lines. Okay, so for the glitter, I'm taking the Stila liquid glitter eyeshadows. I think that's what they're called. But this is in the color Bronzed Belle. And I'm just taking that on a little brush at first to just place it where I need it to, just so it doesn't get on too big. Just because the little applicator is a little too big for me to work with. I don't know. It could just be me. So I do go back in with the color Mulberry and just apply it to the outside just so there's not like any rough edges with the glitter and everything, just to blend it up even more. Okay, so a lot of people have been asking me what lashes these are, and these are Top Lash lashes. I got them off eBay. They were $1 each, and I saw Nazanin Kavari use them, and honestly, they are my favorite so far. I like highly recommend you guys trying it out. I will have it linked down below. So I did my face off camera. It's the same thing over and over again. I do the same thing over again. But to finish off the eyes, I went ahead and started to use Orange Soda on the bottom, and I'm just gonna go repeat all the other colors, going in with Sienna and then going in with Mulberry. And I do go and apply eyelashes, what the heck, eyeliner and mascara after. Oh yeah, and guess what? Broke my Ofra highlighter. Yeah, just in case you guys wanted to know. Yeah, Okay, so for all the lip stuff that I used, I will leave everything down below because I do not remember the names. So I will promise you I will list everything below. I promise.
DJ Broly beat.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do not forget to subscribe and to give this video a big thumbs up and to follow me on all my social media. I will leave everything on the screen as usual. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player.
Did I have lipstick on my teeth?